AutoCross is back on Cherry Point because I think that the Marines and the commanders, as well as the senior enlisted, have really recognized the potential that it has to increase readiness by teaching the Marines vehicle safety, car control, and just things that are really going to help them out also on the street. I can't say thank you enough to the, obviously, Base CO, Base Sergeant Major, the Single Marine Program, MCAS, all of the local commanders. It's just extremely beneficial for the Marines to have this type of opportunity so that they're not getting these vehicles that are just, they really don't understand how to control them, and then taking them out on the back roads of Cherry Point, around Cherry Point or down to Lejeune and just being unsafe with them. This really brings a safe environment to those Marines, and I think it's extremely important to provide that to them so that they don't take it to the street and put other lives at risk.